Hi viewers! Today we're making a beautiful velvety tomato gravy. You can have this tomato gravy with mashed potato, eggs, nachos, starch, bread, canned fish or anything you desire. You are going to need lots of fresh tomatoes. Rinse tomatoes and keep them in the freezer overnight. Grate your tomatoes into a bowl. As you grate, you'll be able to easily get rid of the skin of your tomatoes. Grated tomatoes give your gravy a beautiful velvety look and feel. It allows your tomatoes to cook evenly. Grate your onions as well, or chop them. You may chop or crush your garlic. Heat your olive oil in a wide pot. I'm using my herb-infused olive oil, which appears with the shown thumbnail in this channel. It is flavorful, and you'll see that it makes even tomato gravy look good. Add your onion into the pot and fry. Add salt and pepper. Once the onion is fried, remove it from the pot and add your grated tomato instead. Do not be tempted to rinse the pot. We need the flavor. Immediately throw the fried onion on top of the tomato, right in the middle. The tomato will cook by way of reduction, without stirring. For that reason, this gravy is cooked in an open pot. No lid. Only when the liquid is visibly reduced and the tomato is cooked, can you mix onion and tomato together. And voila! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.